I'm blaming Daymar, nigga. What's up, niggas? I know it's been a minute. Y'all ain't seen my face on here in a little while and shit, but yes, I got my car back. I forgot to show y'all. I had the video when I got the shit back, but the video just wasn't it. But what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna give y'all a POV drive after it got cammed and everything. Y'all just gotta hear this car. I'm not even gonna lie. Y'all gonna fuck with it heavy. Oh, I gotta bleep that out. Y'all gonna mess with it heavy. I'm not even gonna lie. But if y'all like this POV, let me know. Subscribe. And y'all know this is gonna be out. Let me get into it. What am I doing? Alright, now we can start this shit back up, man. I'm finna enter the highway, so yeah, I know what's going on. Y'all heard that little downshift? Hold on. I gotta shift with one hand, so y'all niggas be patient with me. Y'all boys hear them burbles? That was a surprise for y'all, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all niggas hear them burbles? I'm trying not to, I'm gonna get out my area before I do this though, cause the laws over here be tripping. Them niggas be on bullshit. Sound like a nigga shoot. Oh God. I hope this wind ain't too much for y'all. I'm gonna let the one up just a tad bit. Just a tad bit. I ain't gonna let it all the way up, so I can still hear them burbles. I'm gonna get y'all a few pulls around this motherfucker too. Hold on. Wait till that road straighten out. Probably do like a 60. Nah, I'll do a 40. Nah, I'll do a 60. They probably ain't gonna hit hard in manual, but I'm gonna hit that hoe anyway. I know it spit a flame. I know it did, bro. I know it just spit a flame. Bro, I'm gonna try to slow down. Oh, bro, them burbles are so loud. I know y'all hear that shit. Bro, I'm gonna try to fucking slow down and do a 40 roll. These niggas, they not too far behind me, but they far. Bro, I haven't did my top speed run in a while. I'm gonna try to hit that hoe. Hold on, fuck it. I'm gonna slow down and hit a 40. I got y'all niggas. I'm gonna slow down and hit do a 40. I'm tripping, nigga. Oh shit, nigga, I'm tripping. I'm a bold motherfucker, nigga. I just did that shit with one hand too. I know that car that I just went past was like, what the fuck? What? I'm gonna give y'all a little bit ASMR now with these pops. Some people like them, some people don't. Fuck them, nigga, we ball. Bruh, they sound like a nigga is shooting. Oh God. I ain't gonna lie y'all boys. I was just nervous as fuck doing that shit. I did that shit with one hand. I'm doing 150 with one hand. That shit is crazy. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. That shit is insane. nigga shooting coming past them or something. I think I know what exit to get off on too. I was just lucky just driving right now. Let me start riding at 4,000 RPM for a day more and then get on my ass about that shit. I be cruising at 4,000 RPM, but I got a cam, so it don't even matter. My shit rev out high. It'll be alright. Oh God. Let me see if y'all can still hear them burbles just as loud with the fucking window up. Nigga, that shit sound like fucking popcorn cooking, nigga. What the fuck? It got hot in this hole fast, nigga. Let me let the window right back down. It got hot fast in this hole. Shit. I'm doing one more pull. I'm doing another 60. Look at that. Speeding past the shit. Last shit. I'm doing another 60 roll. Fuck it, come on. Okay, let me get out of it. Niggas in the comments ain't gotta roast me. They went too fast. I don't like third gear pulls anyway. They'll go, but they won't go on some shit. Niggas know how it is, bro. God damn. Y'all see I got the little starlight action going on and shit. I think, well, on the camera look like real purple, but in person, well, it is purple, but like purple pinkish. I think this is the best color of starlights. I gotta show y'all my boy Dwayne starlights and shit. I think that's the best shit. Let me shift. Like I said, for my boys get on my ass about that shit. Cruising at 4,000 RPMs and shit. I don't know why, I just do it. Nigga, I really wonder what these people is thinking, bro. Fuck, man. I'm really giving y'all some ASMR right now. That's really all I'm doing. I'm just letting it rev to fucking 2,800 RPMs and dropping it, let it drop. What the fuck that story that I was talking about? I know a nigga ain't behind me in the lane. I want to do another pull. Nah, they not behind me in this lane. But y'all hear that shit? Y'all hear that? I'm gonna let it go again. Hold on. Nigga, damn! Sound like a nigga shooting. I think this exit getting closer. Okay, let me stop making purple real quick. No, you know what? Fuck it, nigga. We having fun. Bro, where's that story that I was talking about? I don't think I'm supposed to take this motherfucker this far down. Oh, there you go. Wait. What's that it? Damn, nigga, I missed my exit. Damn. Oh, wait, I can hit this hoe right here. Hold on. Let it go right here. Nigga. Oh, my God. Oh, nigga. Hey, I don't think I can go across. Fuck it. Nah, I'm not gonna go across right there. Fuck it. I'm gonna turn around. I do need to get a thumbnail at that store though. Hold on, let me turn around for y'all boys. Hold on. Alright, niggas, I'm back. Fucking made it to the gas station after like 3-4 minutes driving around. I'm tripping. What you waiting on, nigga? Your ass out the way, boy. Damn, I don't like getting beside niggas, but fuck it. That's what I gotta do. Gotta get a quick thumbnail for y'all boys real quick. Hold on. Shit, I think I'm good right there. It don't even fucking matter. I'm gonna try to hit this camera. Alright, I'm gonna get this shit back started for y'all, but like I said, my bad for being gone for so long, bro. I just been too lazy to post. And I'm almost at 10K subscribers, bro. Y'all sub up for your boy. Please do that. Sub up. Share it to your friend, your granny, your uncle, your cousin, your baby. Share it to everybody, bro. I'm finna hit 10K subs, nigga. Come on, nigga, sub up. Alright, let's get the POV back started. Alright, let's get this shit on. Come on, let's go. I think I can leave out this way. I think. I hope I can. Oh yeah, type shit, I can. Oh, you know something I didn't do? Turn off that traction. I ain't gonna turn it all the way off. I ain't on timing tonight. I'm not even gonna lie. Hold on, let me see. Damn, they didn't want to slide. They didn't want to slide, bro. Fuck. Well, y'all heard them crisp downshifts, nigga? Let's get back on the tollway with this shit. You know what? I'm gonna put it in competitive mode. Oh, I feel bad for this van right here. Hold on. Put that shit in competitive mode, see what it do. Traffic coming up on my side. Get your ass over, nigga. Come on, bro. This nigga taking fucking forever to merge, boy. A little bit for y'all. I got y'all. I'm gonna let the windows a little bit. Hold on. So y'all wanna hear all that airflow. I should have put my mic on. That's what I should have did so y'all can get the raw sound of this bitch, nigga. Niggas not pushing like me, nigga. No nigga with a 5th gen pushing like me. I'm granny. Come on, man. I'm doing another roll. I might pull around, stop this bitch on the highway, nigga. Who knows? I don't know why my car ain't been wanting to slide ever since I got the cam. I do need a stall though. That I do know I need. I do need one of them bitches bad, boy. That's funny, bro. I'm not gonna. Them Mopar niggas be doing that shit too. They stay doing that shit. They love that shit right there. Niggas will jerk your fucking neck back doing that shit. Like, goddamn, nigga. I showed you, called my boy Damon and told him, I was like, bro, I'm thinking about making a POV. He was like, why not? See, bro, that's why it's good to have friends like Damon, bro. This nigga encouraged me to get up here and do 150, nigga. So if I get caught, nigga, I'm blaming Damon, nigga. Nah, I'm bullshitting. Alright, but, oh, bro, I want to do another roll, but look how close this nigga is up on me, bro. Damn. See, look, I can't get up too high for a beer, but. Oh, let me slow down. I forgot this fucking park out. Bumps like a motherfucker. Let me stop playing, nigga. Let me stop playing. I gotta wait till I straighten this bitch back out. I'm gonna try to do another top speed run for y'all boys. I got y'all niggas. Bro, why this can't be the time where fucking scat packs, bits, and all that shit run up on me? Niggas wanna do it when a nigga not in his car. Like, nigga, come on, run up now, nigga. I should have changed the starlight color since we on timing, bro. I should. Hold on. I can change that shit. Let me wait till the bitch straighten out. My shit really a Tesla, nigga. I'm never saying that shit again. What the fuck? Hold on, though. Hold on. Damn, I forgot how long it takes this road to straighten out. Bro, this is just raw sound of my car. This y'all first time seeing it back after not having it for like, what, 2 months? I think that last video, it was like, what, 2 months ago or some shit? I think I'm right, but let me change the starlight color. What a red. I think red might be too dark. Yeah, that shit way too dark. You gotta go light color like green or some shit. That purple just so fire, nigga. Oh, no, this purple. Okay, no, this purple. I had it on like a pinkish color. I thought I was tripping. I thought I was tweaking, nigga. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Bro, that ASMR going crazy, nigga. I know y'all fuck with that shit. And my tuner, my boy A-Rash, I'm gonna put his Instagram up here. He surprised me with it because he didn't tell me he was gonna do it. He know I'm a content creator and shit. I was like, bro, I can use this for content, nigga, like dead ass. I can use this for content on some shit. And he know that. He a real one though. Shout out A-Rash, bro. My boy been patient with me this whole time for me getting my car back. It's been, well, my car done been through some shit. Hold on. Look at the truck driver. He honking and shit. Hold on, let's do a photo roll. What the fuck? My car just shifted itself, nigga. I didn't even shift it. Oh my fucking Lord. Why say? I just hope I don't run up on the laws, nigga. God watching on me though. God got me. For sure. Let me stop pushing my car so hard, nigga. They better not be the laws creeping up behind me either, nigga. I swear to God, I'll turn this camera off and get back on these niggas quick. But I'm close back to my house, so. Oh, let me lift the window so I can talk. I'm close back to my house now. So. I think this video was enjoyable enough. I'm gonna put it back in dry. Okay, I put it back in dry so I can stop burbling. Cause I'm close back to my house and the laws, them niggas be tripping. Like them niggas be on bullshit. Damn, I gotta bleep that out again. But they be tripping, so I'm gonna end this video right here. You know, I love y'all boys. Like I said, give me the 10K. Please share this video. Show it to any and everybody. Your mama, your granny, auntie, all that. Do everything I said. Or else. But do everything I said. Tell me what y'all want me to do next with the car. Shit, it's only up from here. I ain't gonna lie. 01 next? We'll see.